Attio review. Is it worth it? So it's a modern, ultra-customizable CRM with a sleek Notion-like interface. It's tailored for startups and agile teams. It offers deep personalization in workflows, data models, and automations designed to adapt to your business and not vice versa. So its process, it comes with intuitive custom UI. The users also highlight Adio's clean, user-friendly interface that's easy to master. The pipelines and custom fields are also rapid to set up compared to traditional CRMs. They also have flexibility and real-time collaboration. They also have a built-in AI feature, and they have a fast setup and excellent pricing tier. However, there are some cons. It is still maturing, they have limited integrations and features, it has a steep learning curve for advanced setup, the pricing can get costly, and they have a mobile and Google workflow gap. So overall, is it worth it? Well, Attio is legit and a compelling CRM choice, especially for agile teams prioritizing clean design, flexibility, and AI-powered workflows at an affordable entry cost, so it is worth it.